This humble plant, often found in gardens or along roadside, is so ordinary. You might pass it without a second glance, yet hidden in the leaves is a life-saving secret. This is the story of Madagascar periwinkle and its incredible contribution to humanity. Vincristine, a chemotherapy drug that revolutionized cancer treatment. Welcome to Fascinating Drug Discoveries. I am your host, Dr. Shagufta Wasim, and together we explore the remarkable stories behind some of the most important medicines in history. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button and join us as we uncover life-changing drugs that have shaped our world. The discovery of vincristine is a tale of curiosity, science, and determination. In the 1950s, researchers stumbled upon a remarkable compound while studying the Catharensis roseus, known as Madagascar periwinkle or rosy periwinkle, unaware that they were on the brink of medical breakthrough. While the story of vincristine might seem like a modern scientific achievement, its roots trace back to the ancient uses and natural healing practices. In Madagascar, the plant was used for various medicinal purposes, particularly by local healers who understood its power to treat a range of ailments. While there was no clear understanding of the biochemical compound, these ancient uses laid the groundwork for what would later become a monumental breakthrough in cancer treatment. In the 1950s, researchers began investigating the Madagascar periwinkle for its potential to treat diabetes. However, their exploration took a surprising turn. They discovered that the plant contained compounds capable of interfering with cell division, a critical discovery for cancer treatment. This unexpected find shifted their focus, and scientists began testing the plant compound for their anti-cancer properties. Through years of rigorous research, one compound stood out, vincristine. After successful clinical trials, vincristine was approved by the FDA in 1963 for use in cancer treatment. It became a game changer in chemotherapy, offering hope to countless patients and paving the way for future breakthrough in cancer treatment. Vincristine is a vinca alkaloid, a class of compound derived from the rosy periwinkle plant. It is composed of two main structural units, vindoline and catharanthine. These two units are chemically joined to form the active compound. The molecule contains multiple chiral centers contributing to its complex three-dimensional structure and biological activity. Its structure includes a variety of functional groups such as indole ring, methyl groups, and the oxygen-containing moieties, all essential for its interaction with the biological targets. Cancer is essentially a disease of unchecked cell division. Vincristine works by targeting the cell's internal skeleton, the microtubules. Think of microtubule as the scaffolding that allows cells to divide. The unique arrangement of its molecular components allow vincristine to bind to tubulin proteins, a key building block of these microtubules. This stops their assembly, disrupts microtubule formation, and inhibits cell division, eventually resulting in cell death. Vincristine has been a cornerstone of cancer treatment since the 1960s. It is used to treat a variety of cancer, including acute lymphoblastic leukemia, a common childhood cancer, Hodgkin's and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, neuroblastoma, a cancer affecting young children. In combination chemotherapy regimens like CHOP and all protocols, vincristine has saved countless lives. Like most chemotherapy drugs, vincristine is effective but comes with its own challenges, and it's important to understand what patients might experience. First and foremost, neuropathy is one of the most common side effects. Patients often report numbness, tingling, or burning sensation in their hands and feet. In some cases, this can progress to muscle weakness or difficulty with coordination, which can interfere with daily activities. Then there are the gastrointestinal issues. Constipation is a frequent complaint, sometimes accompanied by abdominal cramps. In rare cases, patients can experience something called paralytic ileus, which is a blockage in the intestines. Another common concern is hair loss. While it's temporary and hair does grow back after treatment, it can be emotionally difficult experience for many patients. Vincristine can also impact the bone marrow, reducing the production of blood cells. This can lead to symptoms like fatigue, anemia, or greater risk of infections because the immune system is weakened. Some patients also mention pain in the jaw, throat, or face. While it's not as common, it can be quite uncomfortable. In rare cases, vincristine can cause breathing difficulties, which would need immediate medical attention. And let's not forget the injection site reactions. If the drug leaks out of the vein during administration, it can cause redness, irritation, or even damage to the surrounding tissue. And finally, though rare, there are more serious effects like seizure, mental confusion, or long-term nerve damage that could impact motor or sensory functions. It's worth noting that not everyone experiences all these side effects, and many of them can be managed with supportive care. But it's always important for patient to communicate openly with the healthcare team so these issues can be addressed early on. Now that we understand the importance of vincristine in cancer treatment, let's take a closer look at the challenges involved in producing the vital drug, as well as the exciting innovations that are helping to overcome these hurdles. The rosy periwinkle, the source of vincristine, presents significant challenges in meeting global demand. From 1 hectare of plants, only 5 to 10 kilograms of dried leaves can be harvested, yielding a very small amount of the active compound. Producing just 1 gram of vincristine requires approximately 5 kilograms of dried leaves, making large-scale production both resource-intensive and inefficient. Limited supply, slow plant growth, and environmental factors have led to recurring shortages, impacting patients' access to the life-saving drug. Scientists are using genetically engineered bacteria and yeast to produce the precursor compounds of vincristine in large quantities, reducing the need for plants. Advances in plant genetic engineering are enhancing alkaloid production within the rosy periwinkle itself, boosting yield directly from the source. Combining plant-derived precursor with synthetic chemical processes is improving production efficiency. Breakthroughs in full chemical synthesis are making it possible to produce vincristine entirely in the lab, providing an alternative to plant extraction. Here are some interesting facts about vincristine that you may find surprising. Not only does the rosy periwinkle provide us with vincristine, a powerful cancer treatment, but it is also the source of vinblastine, another crucial chemotherapy drug. This plant offers a remarkable 2-for-1 deal, delivering 2 life-saving treatments that have transformed cancer therapy and saved countless lives. Even after decades of use, vincristine remains a key treatment for cancer worldwide, especially in areas where newer therapies may not be readily available. Vincristine was one of the first plant-derived chemotherapy drugs, setting the stage for the development of other vinca alkaloids, which have become crucial tools in oncology. Vincristine has significantly improved childhood leukemia survival rates, transforming a disease once considered nearly fatal into one that many children now survive. Interestingly, while the Madagascar periwinkle is a highly toxic, earning it the name Vonenina, flower of remorse in Madagascar, due to its use in ordeal trials. It is this very toxicity that has been harnessed to create life-saving drugs like vincristine and vinblastine. The story of vincristine is a powerful reminder of the untapped potential hidden in the natural world. Who could have thought that a simple ornamental flower could contain a molecule capable of transforming cancer treatment? And vincristine isn't alone. Many of the world's most important medicines have been sourced from nature. It's truly remarkable how much nature has to offer, with so many incredible discoveries still waiting to be uncovered. If you enjoyed this episode of Fascinating Drug Discoveries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We have many more amazing stories to explore.